This is Jerome's garden, and it seems like a moose decided to have a snack at it. He doesn't even care I'm here. Look at that. It's raining out, but it's pretty warm. Don't know where he came from, but I was in the living room, and I looked outdoors, and all of a sudden I saw a big brown thing. Anyway, that's him. Don't know where he's gonna go, but he's huge.